In this video, we're going to learn how to resolve the JDBC_00 cannot connect to specified database error. Let's get started. Before starting, let's keep in mind that the error presented in the interface does not always provide the reasoning for not being able to communicate to a database. We will see how to obtain more information in order to find the root cause of the connection error. First, let's try to utilize a pipeline which connects to a MySQL database. In this case, MySQL is running in our local network on port 3306. We have intentionally put 3307 as the port for demonstration purposes. Let's try to validate the pipeline. This results in a validation error, JDBC_00 cannot connect to specified database. The extended error states it cannot get a driver instance. However, that message may not be clear. We can click on the logs icon in order to see the pipeline logs and locate this error. Note that most errors such as this are rethrown errors. Rethrown errors will have a chain of one or more errors which are present lower in the stack trace. We should scroll down to find the original error which caused the rethrown error. The actual error in this case is no suitable driver. Let's go check our external libraries to see if we have a MySQL driver installed. We do not have an external library installed. Let's upload our MySQL driver. We can click on the upload icon, then click Browse and locate the driver. After that, we can click Upload after selecting the driver. As the pop-up indicates, a restart of Data Collector is required. Go ahead and click Restart Data Collector. Now that Data Collector is restarted, try to validate the pipeline again. Our pipeline error is a bit different this time, indicating a network error. If we check the logs again by clicking on the logs icon, then we can see this is a rethrown error with another error lower in the stack trace as a root cause. As discussed previously, first find the rethrown error, then look lower in the stack trace. In this case, the actual error is connection refused, which indicates either the connection was blocked or that the service was not listening. In this situation, we know that we specified a bad port during our setup. So let's go update that port to the correct value. Let's attempt to validate the pipeline again. So there we have it. The pipeline validated successfully, and running the pipeline should present no issues. In short, there are three important details to consider. The first is to check the full stack trace of the error to determine the cause. Second, we need to make sure the database driver is installed if we're not using SQL Server or PostgreSQL, as those drivers are already provided by the data collector. And finally, we need to make sure that we can connect to the database from the instance that data collector is running on. And also, this can be with tools such as Telnet, Netcat, and curl. In summary, we learned how to resolve the JDBC_00 cannot connect to specified database error in this video.